Hey everybody, so today we got a quick unboxing for a Dewalt Orbital Sander kit, 20 volt kit, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, alright, so we're going to be doing a unboxing as well as a specifications video. Also going to weigh it, the tool. So, let's get it unboxed. I got this 5-inch 127mm random orbital sander kit for $99 at Lowe's. Comes with a 2 amp hour and a charger. It was $99 because of the Father's Day deals. This is usually $129 at Lowe's bare tool with no battery or charger, and it's $139 at Home Depot with no battery or charger. This kit number is David Charlie Whiskey 210 David 1. Again, David Charlie Whiskey 210 David 1, or DCW210D1. So it shows on the box, comes with a battery, 2 amp hour battery, and a looks like a black charger. We'll see what kind of black charger it is when we open it up. Maximum initial battery voltage measured without workload is 20 volts. Nominal voltage is 18. On the back, it has corded power, 2 variable speed dial to help match speed to application, one-handed locking dust bag, replaceable 8-hole hook and loop sanding pad for quick, easy paper changing. Orbits a minute are 8,000 to 12,000, and it shows it multiple times. Orbit diameter is 3/32 or 2.6 millimeters. Says 3/32 plug. Pad type, hook and loop Velcro. Includes DCW210 5-inch 127mm random orbital sander, dust bag, 20 volt max lithium ion 2 amp hour charger, and kit bag. So maybe this does come with a bag. I guess we'll see. So let's get it open. I've been wanting to pick up these for a while, but I couldn't pass on the $100 a kit or the $99 a kit. Especially since I get, 2 batteries that, I didn't have before. Okay. Here is the 2. So it is the 2 I was thinking with the fuel gauge, which it has 2 bars. It did come with a little bag. That's pretty nice. That's pretty cool. So this one also comes with a bag, which is pretty neat. It came with the DCB112, which I believe is the same as this one. No. So I have one of these black ones already. DCB115 is the fast charger. In the back it says 12 volt, 20 volt max lithium ion fast charger. So it does not come with fast charger. It comes with the generic DCB112, which if you look at the back, it just says 12 volt, 20 volt lithium ion charger. So this is not a fast charger. If you guys want the fast charger, it would have to be DCB115, not 112. But, extra charger isn't too bad. Here's the dust cup. And I do like the dust cups a little better, the connection point on the Dewalts than the Milwaukee, which we can do a a separate video on that if you guys want to see that. Here's the instruction book. Box out the way. The reason I like the Dewalts is because it slides over and you twist. Simple as that. I love that design. I wish Milwaukee had that design. You twist it, take it off. It's quite easy and simple. I assume that you could put a normal vac on here as well. So this is everything it came with. Here is the Orbital and the battery. Fits nice and tight. That's a plus. Compared to the Milwaukee, it actually turns because the Milwaukee, I have an issue where if you touch the pad slightly, it stops turning. It's supposed to orbit and turn. It looks like the Dewalt's made a little better. Okay, get this all in the shot for you guys. This is everything it came with. So not bad for $99. It's nice that it came with a little bag. Oh, and the instruction book. So let's move all this to the side. Let's pull the scale in and we'll weigh them. Seems like it's kind of warped a little. That's better. Alright, so this is just the Orbital sander. Weighs 1 pound, 15.3 ounces. There you go. We'll put the 2 on it. Actually, I'll grab a full 2, and then we'll test the 4 as well. Here's the 4. Here's my 2, or my original 2. It's fully charged. With the 2 on it, it is 2 pounds, 11.6 ounces. Then we'll put the dust chute attachment on it. We'll weigh it with the dust chute attachment. It is 2 pounds, 14.1 ounces, or 14.5 ounces it's settled. Okay. We'll take the 2 off. This is a fully charged 4. We'll put it on with a 4. See what it weighs with a 4. It is 3 pounds, 7.2 ounces. Oh, 3 pounds, 7.4 ounces. 4. It's bouncing between 4 and 5. Looks like it's settled at 4. So with a 4 amp hour, it is 3 pounds, 7.4 ounces. Okay. Just to weigh it because we can. The charger is 13.7 ounces. 13.8. 13.8 ounces. To weigh the 2 by itself, the 2 is 12.3 ounces. Here is the one that is 2 bars that came with the kit. It's 12.7. This one weighs less. I wonder why it weighs less. The one I have has a 2019. This one's a 2020. It's 12.8 ounces for the new battery with 2 bars. And it's 12.3 ounces with a fully charged 2019 battery. Slightly heavier. The 4, fully charged, weighs 1 pound, 5.6 ounces. And just, if you guys wanted to see it, I'll put a 6 amp hour flex volt on here because it's 6 amp hours in 20 volt mode. It fits if you really wanted to put it on. It makes it top heavy though. As you can see, it's kind of top heavy. It is 4 pounds, 6.2 ounces. With a 6 amp hour flex volt, and you'll probably never use it like this, but we'll put the 9 amp hour on here as well. It is 5 pounds, 5.2 ounces with a flex volt 9 amp hour. Just if you guys are curious, these batteries are fully charged as well. So I'll show you guys the 9 amp hour fully charged. And the 6 amp hour fully charged. You probably would never want to use the flex volt on them, but if that's all you have is a flex volt battery, it's going to be kind of heavy, but it will work. All in all, it's actually very comfortable. I do like that the on-off switch is in the front, and the speed dial is readily available in the front compared to the Milwaukee, where it's okay on the side. The one thing I don't like about it being on the side is that sometimes when I'm using it, I accidentally push it and turn it off. And the speed dial's on the side too, which is also odd for me. And the one other thing I do not like about the Milwaukee, other than this being extremely tight and it's seizing when it's on, is I do not like this dust chute collection style. When you put these on, these clips, they actually are so tight, it's a pain trying to get anything off. So if you're trying to, if you want to use this, it's not too hard, but it's a pain to get the filtered bucket off. And if you want to use something like this guy, which is what I normally use, is I normally install it like that. Problem is this gray sleeve piece that's kind of clear gets stuck on the tool, and this pops off. So it can be a hassle, to say the least. So, in my personal opinion, I think this is a better design. Just twist and pull. I think it's a really, really nice design. It's got the clips in there, and it's got ball bearing retention right there. So it's got 3 ball bearings. It's got one here, and one here. I just think it's a great design. You slide it on and then twist, and it's on. And it's a nice springy dust bag. So over time you'll see me using it, and I'll tell you guys, you know, in the long run which one I like better. We're going to conclude this video because it's been about 15 minutes. Appreciate your guys' time. It is nice that it came with a bag, even though the outside of the box doesn't show the bag like the other one. But this is everything that came with it. So if you guys are looking for an orbital sander, can't go wrong for Father's Day with the $99 deal going on. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.